Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to create cylinder in FreeCAD. So there is one really simple method that I recommend you to try. So first we need to change mode from part design to part. We need to select this one mode. It is very important because after that we will be able to create a new cylinder. So we need to click on this one icon. It will let us to create a cylinder. How you see, it has been successfully created here. So now if you would like to edit this cylinder, you need to click on Model tab, and here you need to click on Cylinder. Then more properties will be displayed here. So here you can modify the radius. For example, I will decrease this value to 1, and how you see, our cylinder has been successfully changed. You can modify the height if you want. For example, I will decrease this value to 3, and I can change the placement. So for example, I click on this one arrow, I select position, and I'm going to increase X value, I'm going to increase Y value, and I'm going to increase Z value. And of course, if you would like to have only half of cylinder, you need to modify angle. For example, I type here 180, and then we will cut the half of the cylinder. So in this way you can easily create cylinder and modify it in FreeCAD. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Let me know in comment if it solves your problem.